What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well. As always, hope you followed the first live stream because we just planned some crazy stuff again. This is just really crazy. So if you didn't watch it out, just go and watch the live stream and so some questions. I just show you the waves, the different scenarios and everything. We're just going here to cover one scenario, the main idea we have at the moment. Of course, we're going to see how we have been able to trade this, how we was trading this, okay, clear, and of course how it followed after the live stream we have done in the last in the last update, clear. So the live stream we have done, okay. So anyway, as always, don't forget to smash that like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. Really important. If you enjoy the content, if you enjoy the channel, if you enjoy the work and everything clearly here, do not hesitate to smash that like, to write some comments down below. And we are good to start. So here, you know, we have three main scenarios, okay, on Bitcoin right now. You just have to go and watch as a first update to know them. Now, this is the first one, okay, so double XY done. We can still do another wave to the downside, it's possible, okay. For now, we're going to make it easy. The B wave is done, okay, of the bigger ABC flat right here, so we do not see a lot of wave, by the way. Anyway, we'll have an A, B, I'm going to change the size of this. Here we'll have an A, okay, a B retracement, and then we'll have a C here to the upside. This is an ABC flag, you know, something we'll have planned for a while when it was already here, so that's why we just stick to the plan. If we have to change something, we're going to do it, okay. But here we are possibly done with the B wave, as we can do another move to the downside. It's possible. Why it's possible? Simply because the wave to the upside here, we have some smaller time frame possible invalidation, okay, for the impulsive directly to be to the upside. And moreover, this the B wave is only 105. It have, I mean, most of the times the most common target for this is the 123. Okay, it can also retrace 113. This is a stock market retracement, but again, we'll have more chance to go on the 123. Now, of course, it depends on the period and everything. Sometimes we do only some 105, and it's absolutely enough. That's why here we can place the B wave on the bottom right here and say, hey, we just accept we are in the wrong case, for example, and yeah, we just have to accept that we're going to do the C next, okay. So here, what we can take if we have done the B and we are looking for the C here, okay, we can simply take an impulsive, so speak here, wave one right there. I don't know if I no, I don't have this wave, I think on this chart right here. Wave one, a wave to retracement, a wave 3, 4, 5, an impulsive, or of course an ending, something a bit more complex we're not going to cover in this update, okay. We're just going to stay with the most easiest as possible. So here, an impulsive, okay. So here we do have a possible 5 ways, but yeah, be careful with a smaller time frame wave count here, because for example here, if that's a wave 3, 4, 5, we should get a divergence on the RSI, what we don't have here. So really be careful and be aware of that. It's possible also to take the only time can tell. That's why you have to add your levels. You have to also trade with exo charts, for example. This afternoon with VIPs, I was saying, hey, we're on the top of the channel here, we just need a short opening. In that case, we can take a short trade, okay. And surprise, just after that we got the short opening here, and boom, we got a nice reversal right here that gives us at the moment a very nice, very nice short trade. As you can see here, a very nice move to the downside after we have been just range bound like this. That's pretty cool. By the way, in the last live stream we have planned, okay, right here I just added that in the announcement channel right here on the Discord server. So by the way, if you want to join the Discord server, feel free, you can ask me some questions here in the members channel right there. If you want to get more, of course, you can go on the mooncharts.fr website. I don't know if I have this right there. You can go on the mooncharts.fr website, so do right here, and you will find everything you need clearly, okay, to get some more information about us. We're teaching you Elliott Waves and exo charts, so if you want to get to learn these both, you can absolutely. But here on the Discord server, this was a live stream. What we have planned here, it's if we get the short opening of the 2 targets we plan, okay. As you can see here, we got the short opening, but if we got the short opening from this target or from this target, we are going to look for a short trade directly, because we don't have any divergence next. So it will be possible to push high here, but we still have to play with the scenario that the top is in, and so we have to look for a short. This section of the chart right here, okay, was simply, if you go on the Bybit chart right there, was simply the one right here on the very top, okay. Was just looking for the 618 66%. I don't know, okay, I didn't click it that 618 66% right here, okay. And so this is exactly where we got our rejection, okay. As you can see here, 618 66% plus the range POC right here, okay, range path control plus 618 66%, as you can see here. So here I just said hey, here we just need the short opening. So if you want to get the shorts, if you want to short this, you just want to get some shorts opening here. Okay, so this will just simple that, and boom, surprise, surprise. After we finish the live stream, right there, what we got to the downside, we got a move down with an increasing of the open interest. So these are just new trade short coming on the market. And so if we just need short to take a short, we got the shorts. This is a short to take. I just give you a free trade here on the YouTube channel. Plus, in addition to that, we also plan the bottom in the live stream. I'm not looking at all, just look at this, okay? This was in the live stream. This was where we was looking for a short. This was the first target where we was looking for a long, as you can see right here. So if I add the levels, so the daily negative control here is the lower levels here in this first buy zone right here. It's $19,012.5. Okay, if you add this $19, $12.5. Okay, this was exact, almost exactly. We just have done a week into that low. We just got to bounce off this. So again, this is just absolutely insane what we have planned in the last update. Okay, so if you know how to read an order flow, you're just good now. Clear, you're absolutely good. Okay, and by the way, because yes, this is the software I'm using to trade the market. Okay, you have the product in the desktop version. Here's the software really, and this is on browser this is a web version. So this, for example, you know the flow. Okay, this is a know the flow where you're going to get, for example, the delta in the account, the POC of the account. You're going to get the volume in the account. You're going to get everything clearly inside. You're going to get the imbalances, all the stuff like this. You need clearly to trade really good. Okay, in addition to that, so I'm using the desktop version to get really the DOM right here to see limited orders on the market. That allows you to take some really nice trade, to make some really good decisions, to really make a decision if you have or not to take a trade. For example, if you plan some levels to the downside or to the upside, for let's take as an example, if you want to trade a short, okay, you have some target, some resistance plan because you short the resistance. You're going to just wait for the reaction on the order flow to come, okay, on the resistance, and once you saw, when you see the reaction, you're able to determine if you have to take a trade or not. So it's just so powerful to know if you have or not to take a trade, to make the decision to not take a trade, for example. It's very nice, right? So if you want to win this, because of course this is paid software, I don't remember exactly the price, but if you want to win 3 months for free, you just have to go and join the Discord server. Okay, right here is the MOONCHARTS Discord server. You have the link right below in the description. To just scroll up a bit here in the announcement channel and to just click this button right here. This will add some entries here. You're going to enter the giveaway, and you just have to wait another 2 days, and in 2 days you're going to be able to know if you're the winner or not in this 21 person for the moment. Okay, so yeah, good luck to you all, and let's see who is going to win this. But yeah, so this is just insane really. We have planned this short trade, and once you have, because you just have to read the order flow, we got the short here, so that's very cool. We got the short, it's a short to take, and here, boom, if you know a bit how to read the order flow, here we got absorption, we got the loans coming, we got everything clearly. If you want to get more, of course, how to read the order flow, really how to take the long here, if you want to know how to take the long here, for example, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website, as I said earlier. Once you're apprentice or VIP, for now it's for VIPs, you just have to go in the VIP section, daily exalt chart update, and we covered that on the day, the day after that, or on the day, I don't remember exactly, but we have seen how to trade this, okay, because that was on the weekend, if I'm mistaken, yes, Sunday. It was on the weekend. But anyway, so really good trades plan here, and yeah, this is just insane. And today this is just pretty crazy, because today also with VIPs we shorted that top. Okay, we're just saying to VIPs, hey, here we are on this target, we just need a short here opening of that. If we have the shorts, we just short here. That's a short setup. Okay, and if you go here in the general chat, because I was posting this right here, okay, I just said, hey, top of the channel right now, as you can see here, so it was on the top of the channel. A bit after that, I posted at 38 here, it was a bit around there, and I said, hey, if we get the short opening off that, there is a possible short setup. Okay, and so I just sent a screenshot to VIPs right there. It was here. And what do we have? Surprise next. We'll have all the shorts here coming in while moving to the downside. This was the top of the move on the 3 minutes, and you have all the shorts coming again. So is it a short to take or not? You just have to follow what I'm saying, and if you follow, you're going to make some really good trade. Okay, but anyway, so here, right there. So here, what we can plan. So wave 1 to 305, bigger impulsive to the upside. Keep in mind it's possible to take the low due to some smaller time frame, possible invalidation. Now the RSI, of course, can be wrong. It's absolutely possible, now most of the time we'll have to trust it, so be careful, okay? So here, as always, a wave 2 have 73% chance to go between the wave 1, the 50%, a wave 2 have 73% chance to go between the 50% and the 61866%, okay? So where we went exactly at the moment. Now we can be done with this. Now we can look for a possible 5 ways to the upside. Again, this will be a crazy 5 ways, it's possible, okay? In that case, now, if the bottom is in, for example, and now we're looking for the C wave directly to the upside, right here, we can look for, so to find the way through target, I mean to add the extension tool to find the way through targets, wave on root, wave on top, wave to bottom here. Okay, for now, let's say the case that we have done the bottom just to give you an idea of the price we can reach. So wave 3 is going to reach normally minimum with the 161. Of course, we can stop on the 121 extension, but we have only 2% chance to stop here. So we think about a stop where we have only 2% chance? No. Okay, so we think about the most probable 1618. Then we can look for the 30 retracement for the moment with the retracement we'll have done here, and then we can look for the 121 extension of the wave 5. This is the most common impulsive wave we're going to get here. Now, if we of course do another move to the downside, it's possible to make another move to the downside. Why? Because we do have a possible 5 ways down here. Okay, so if we have a 5 ways down, we cannot be done directly with a wave 2. Okay, we can look for a bigger correction here. That is, if we have a 5 ways down, we're in a wave 2, it's simply an ABC zigzag. Okay, so 5 ways right here. Just going to do some small white. B wave, okay, correction, and then we can look for a C wave with another 5 ways to the downside. Okay, so right here. There, so A, B, C zigzag. We are going to stop maybe between the 56.8 and 66%. If you want to get the targets, you have everything on the Discord server clearly, because I mean, except some few ones, but you have clearly everything here in the announcement channel. Also, after the giveaway, if you're a bit higher, you have everything here in the last sprint show. You have clearly all the targets where you have to read the order flow, clearly all the levels you need. Of course, we have some more levels now because we spent some few days, so we printed some new levels before, but yeah, you have the main targets. If you have to go more down, you know exactly where you have to look for long. So do not hesitate really to join on the Discord server. You have some useful information there. But yeah, so this is a possible thing we can do here. Yeah, that's a possible wave. And of course here, we have to plan some invalidations. For example, here is a wave 2. Of course, the full invalidation of this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5 here, impulsive to the upside. So the blue one right here is if the wave 2 breaks the wave 1 route, of course. But also if, because sometimes, most of the time, the RSI is going to do it before we really break it. Okay, so on the real chart, for example, we're going to do this. It's going to be broken on the RSI, but not on the chart, so it's an invalidation. Okay, so first invalidation is if the wave 2 breaks the wave 1 route. This is not possible. Second invalidation, if the RSI breaks the wave 1 route also. Okay, the RSI as always, on the RSI, if you have a wave 1, 2 impulsive here, okay, the wave 2 here cannot break the wave 1 route. This is not possible. So if we start to break this, look for another pattern, look for maybe another low. Of course, switch between time frame. You have to check different time frame to see if on every single time frame we have an invalidation, or if only, for example, the one hour have the invalidation. If we only have on the 1 hour, make sure you check out the other time frame to make sure this is fully not valid anymore. Okay, and if it's not valid anymore, you know the targets 113, 123, 127. We look for the B wave. Okay, we simply look for the B wave here. Simple as that. Okay, so that's clearly the next target if we have to go below here for a possible long, and the other targets you have them on the Discord server. Clearly you have you have there in the announcement channel, so you have everything you need here with all the levels. And the only thing you have to do on these levels, you have to add your levels on the chart, and once you have the levels here, okay, you just have to set some alerts, and once alerts is rigging on trading view, you just have to check the order flow on these targets. This is the only thing you have to do, so to speak. We just have to check this, the context while approaching some bigger time frame, and then you just have to move on a smaller time frame, for example 5, 3, 1 minute, and then you just make the decisions of the 1 minute. If the 1 minute is good, or 3 minutes, 5 minutes or so, you can enter a trade. If it's not good, just look for lower targets pattern. Okay, simple as that. So this is how I'm going to approach the market right now. And yeah, so hope you all enjoyed. I wish you all a brilliant day. Make sure to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, to turn on notifications. Really important if you enjoy the content. And yeah, do not hesitate also to write some comments down below. This is really good for the YouTube algorithm. As always, if you want to win 3 ExoCharts months for free, do not hesitate to go on the Discord server, to go in the announcement channel. After, of course, we went into the verification channel here. And yeah, you go in the announcement channel, you just scroll up a bit, you just click here on this button, make sure it add on entries, okay? And once you're in the giveaway, you just have to wait for 2 days more, and you will be able to know if you are the winner or not. But yeah, 3 ExoCharts months. so it's around maybe 150 euros, a bit less maybe, but I don't remember exactly the price of this. So yeah, really, really interesting. So if you want to get this, feel free to go and join this Discord server. You can also join us on the website for free, absolutely. You can just make an account for free. You can get already some course for beginners and some beginners for to start your learning on Elliott Waves, and you can absolutely go and join us also on Twitter. By the way, we're crushing also Ethereum. This was the target plan in an Ethereum VIP update, a target plan below here. Okay, this was, we got a plan daily here below, but again, the main idea was really to go and find it, to go and touch this target right here, because of this is a result, by the way, just a week inside here and just reclaim everything with a big push to the upside, so really, really nice. And this was the target, this was what we have planned before it happened, the big ABC flats. So now we're looking for take profits and not for longs anymore, of course. And of course we can take profit only if Bitcoin is really classed as bearish. Okay, so yeah, already now the trade 7 I personally did not fear that one. I just feared on Bitcoin, really. I don't know if I have the screenshot there. Normally I pass it down on the Discord server right here. Yeah, this is a long trade. I'm 9,500 up and even more, by the way, maybe a bit less now because we're moving down. But anyway, so yeah, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Take care if this is important. Hope you all had a nice weekend, and yeah, have a brilliant day, and see you all in the next one. Cheers.